The history of the Emperor of Japan is deeply intertwined with the country's national history and is known as one of the world's oldest hereditary monarchies. The first recorded emperor, Emperor Jimmu, is said to have ascended to the throne in 660 BC, but the history of the emperors from this period up to the modern era often blurs the lines between myth and reality. In ancient Japan, the emperor was considered a sacred being, believed to be a descendant of the gods. The emperor held political power while also serving as a religious leader who conducted Shinto rituals. Throughout the Kofun period, the imperial family wielded significant political influence, though records from this time are fragmentary, and many details about the emperors remain enshrouded in mystery. Entering the medieval period, emperors often saw their actual power usurped by the warrior class, gradually retreating from the political forefront. From the Kamakura period through the Muromachi period, military governments held the reins of power. The imperial family continued to exist, maintaining their religious and symbolic authority, but were often manipulated by the shogunate and warlords. During the Edo period, the Tokugawa shogunate, established by Tokugawa Ieyasu, governed Japan for over 260 years, isolating the emperor in a palace in Kyoto, far removed from political affairs. With the advent of the Meiji Restoration, the emperor returned to the center of national governance. Emperor Meiji established a modern nation-state, incorporating Western constitutional systems and striving to enhance Japan's status on the international stage. After World War II, under the 1947 Japanese Constitution, the emperor was defined as the symbol of the state and of the unity of the people, holding no political power and serving purely as a symbolic figure. From Emperor Showa Hirohito to the current Emperor Naruhito, the emperor has been limited to ceremonial duties within the constitutional framework, walking alongside the people of Japan. The history of the emperor continues to significantly influence Japanese society and culture, with the emperor remaining widely revered by the nation today.